In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sell property in GTA 5 online. First, you're gonna press the up arrow, and then you're gonna go to internet, go to money and services, go down to Dynasty 8, view properties, and here, let's say I wanna find a property here I wanna trade in with. So let's say I wanna trade in with this one. Okay, I would click buy, then purchase property. Over here it will show you which property you want to trade it with. So I have a property that I already bought for 36,000, this one. So if I trade it with this one, it will basically give me back 31,000. So I bought the property minus the original property price that I was given back to me. And here's the trade, as you can see. So it gives me back like money, as you can see here. So this is how you do it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.